In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pop-up animations in Canva. Pop-up text is a simple way to make your designs feel more dynamic, whether you're creating a social media post, a promo video, a presentation, or even a short animated graphic. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to add that fun popping effect to any text in your design. First, open your design in Canva. This can be an existing project or a brand new one. Once your design is open on the Canva editor, look for the text that you want to animate. This might be your title, a subtitle, or any word or phrase you want to highlight. Click directly on that text box to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and the editing options appear around it. With your text selected, move your attention to the top of the Canva interface. You should see a toolbar with options like font, size, color, and alignment. In that same area, you'll see an option labeled Animate. Go ahead and click on Animate. This button is what opens up Canva's animation panel and gives you access to all the motion effects you can apply to your text. Once the animation panel is open, you'll see a list of different animation styles. These might be grouped under categories such as text animations or similar. Scroll through until you find the options labeled Pop and Rise. These are the ones that will give you that pop-up feel. Click on Pop if you want your text to quickly jump or bounce into place, creating an energetic, attention-grabbing effect. This is great for bold headlines, calls to action, or anything you want viewers to notice right away. If you prefer something a bit smoother and more subtle, click on Rise. This makes the text gently move upward into view, which works nicely for more professional or calm designs, like presentations or simple announcements. After you choose either Pop or Rise, play back your design by clicking the preview or play button at the top of the screen. Watch how the text appears and see if you like the timing and style. If it doesn't feel quite right, you can always click back on Animate and switch between Pop and Rise until it matches the mood you're going for. Once you're happy with the effect, your pop-up animation is ready. You can repeat the same process for other text elements in your design.